So in this video I'm going to show you how to fine-tune your Z-axis just to lock it in nice and sturdily. When you first install it, you probably haven't got these two lock nuts set right up to the top of this bracket. It's pretty important that they are. We just want to reduce that slop in the system there. It needs to be really tight in place. So I'm just going to take this bracket out for starters. Just fully remove it, and I might even just take that out as well. Makes it much easier. So you can see I've wound that up a bit to there. I'm just going to test it. So pull that out a bit and push that back in. Oh, there's about 1/2 millimetre of movement in there now. I'll give it another quarter turn. Let's try that again. Stuff just popped back again. And that is perfect. So before we lock this back in place, we need to thread lock these two nuts in place. So to do that, you just get 2 shifters, or you can have one set of shifters and your pliers. Now the thing is, we want to turn the bottom one up rather than the top one down, because the top one has got is set to the right height. We'll set the bottom shifters first. Just grab hold of that. Get that top one. And there we go. It's nice and tight. So now that I've got that done, I'll just try this again. That's perfect. So now that that's done, we need to reinstall your rail. So getting that down in the slot, down through the bearings. Being careful not to pull this whole axis out, otherwise you've got to take the bottom off and put your little washer on the bottom again. There we go. Get this top one back on. And slot it back in. And get these little machine screws back in place. That's done. Now we need to go and do the other side as well.